Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about Maven and how this software can help us to build Java applications. But what is Maven? Maven is a software built by Apache Software Foundation which allow us to manage and build Java applications very easy. This software is quite similar to an older software called Ant, which also allows build a Java application. But in Maven, the syntax and the structure is more easy because it is based on an XML files. So in Maven, the main file to configure and to structure your application is called pom.xml. So in this video, we are going to install Maven in a CentOS 7 machine. As you can see at the moment, mbn, which is the Maven command, it says no such file or directory, but installing Maven is very easy with yum. We just need to type yum install Maven, and it will install all the dependencies that are needed, and it will complete it very fast. So now I can type mbn as well, and as you can see now is returning some results, which means Maven is now installed in my system. Okay, in the future videos we are going to see how to create an archetype from Maven for a web application, which is the skeleton for a web application, which we are going to use to scan it with a Sonar Cube. So please stay tuned in the channel and please subscribe to it. Please let me know your comments. Thanks.